Hi CARROM lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this series, I will unboxing my new Handycam. I bought this Handycam purposely for my YouTube channel. After this, I hope my viewers will be happy with 4K video. Before we unboxing, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And you will always be notified to follow my latest video. Let's begin. Image or video is very important, especially if you want to spread your hobby or your special content for viewers to see. You can upload or publish in various social media, for example YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Vimeo, blog, website and others. All over the world, people are online and connected with the technologies to get information, business or entertainment of their pleasure without leaving the house. Media, especially video, is one of the most powerful ways to attract an audience and build a bond on the piece of information. Video continues to dominate the digital landscape around the world and it seems unstoppable. Before we open, let's see what is written on the box. 16.6 megapixel still image recording. Clear image zoom, 30 times on 4K and 40 times on HD, 15 times optical zoom, wide angle lens 26.8 mm, full HD 120 frames per second, NTSC and 100 frames per second on PAL. Time-lapse capture, using Zeiss lens, Exmor R CMOS sensor, wireless function Wi-Fi, and the beauty of this Handycam is built-in image stabilization type called BOSS, B-O-S-S, or Balanced Optical SteadyShot with intelligent active mode 5-axis. Let's open the box now. Bundles of documentation in various languages. We put aside first. Provided power cable, data cable and video cable. And battery NP-F70A, and finally Handycam. SONY FDR-AX43. Close look of the unit. And now we're fixing the battery. Nice grip. This on button. On top of here is a zoom in and zoom out. And then this is a mic in front. And on top we have a hot shoe. You can use a flash or a mic. And now we open the unit. So once you open, they're on automatically. See? I also bought a Sony GP-VP T1 shooting rig with mini tripod to hold a Handycam easily while we are on the move. So we open the box. This is a casing. Manual. Okay, this unit. So now we're fixing. We have a screw here. So press here this button so it can move. And this cable we hook up to the unit here. Okay, later we connect. Now we hold like this. So it's very easy. So after this we test. I have my YouTube channel called CARROM for All. With this channel, I try my best to give tips and information about the game. I am passionate about the game of CARROM and I love to spread the knowledge and CARROM activities in positive ways. I just want to say thank you to my loyal viewers who always support my channel. And see you next time.